all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord. Well, if you told